Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tikoy rolls with peanut. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients for both the sticky rice cake and its delicious peanut filling. Then, I'll guide you through preparing the tikoy dough, ensuring it's perfectly pliable for rolling. Next, we'll carefully assemble the rolls, incorporating that wonderful peanut mixture. Finally, I'll show you how to cook them to a beautiful golden brown. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare the tikoy itself. Steam the glutinous rice mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it's soft and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once steamed, let it cool for a few minutes. Lightly grease your hands and a clean, flat surface with a neutral oil. This prevents sticking. Now, gently flatten the warm tikoy into a thin, even sheet, ready for our filling. Now for the star of our roll, the peanut filling. Begin by roasting raw peanuts in a dry pan until they are fragrant and have a light brown color. Once cooled, grind them into a coarse mixture using a food processor or blender. Combine these ground peanuts with about 1/2 cup of sugar and a small pinch of salt. Add a tablespoon or two of oil to help bind the mixture, creating a delicious, spreadable filling. With your tikoy flattened and filling ready, spread the peanut mixture evenly over the tikoy sheet. Carefully roll the tikoy into a tight log, ensuring the filling is enclosed. Using an oiled knife, slice the log into individual serving pieces, about 1 inch thick. Finally, pan-fry these delightful rolls in a little oil for 3 to 5 minutes per side, until they are crispy and golden brown. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.